And it is our pleasure to welcome you to Akron. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened till the aircraft comes to a full and complete stop. Once the captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign, that'll be your one and only indication that it's safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. Please refrain from smoking until safely outside the terminal and only in designated smoking areas. If you're claiming luggage, please follow the signs of baggage claim, or a uniform representative will be happy to assist you regarding ground transportation or baggage claim. If you have requested wheelchair assistance today, we do ask you please remain seated in your seat until a flight attendant can better assist you once a wheelchair becomes available. On behalf of your entire Florida-based crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. It has been our pleasure. We do hope to see you on an Allegiant flight. If this is home, let us be the first to welcome you home.